Hey YouTube, so here is my most recently assembled red laser. It's very easy to put together and very cheap, and I'm going to break down how I put this together, how it works, and show you the operation of this laser. So the laser diode that I'm using is a red 660 nanometer laser diode. Came all the way from China. I got a 4-pack of them for like $1.29 for free shipping, and I have virtually no knowledge on these laser diodes, other than they have an input range of 4.5 volts. As for the assembly here, I'm using the LM317 adjustable regulator, and I'm using 2 short circuit paths, one from the input pin to the adjustable pin, and one from the heatsink to the input pin. And I'm using a 2-watt current limiting resistor, and the output wire of the semiconductor is going directly to the laser diode, and the negative lead of the power supply is going to the negative lead of the laser diode. For power, I'm using 3 PC alkaline cells. So I'm getting an input power of about 5 to 6 watts, probably 6.2 watts, considering that I am pushing it a little bit already. I'm using this master cooler as the heatsink for stability, and I'm using a 12-volt fan powered by this 9-volt 1.6 amp power supply for additional cooling. And the reason that is because this parallel battery pack here does get warm quite fast due to the nature of the assembly here, with the 2 short circuit paths, as well as the direct contact with the negative lead of the switch to the battery here, as well as a direct connection to the switch to the semiconductor, which switches the semiconductor to come on and off. This one single alkaline cell here to the holder. And now I hit the switch. And you can see there's a nice soft start there. Now this laser has a very long range. There is the laser output emission in the darkness. Laser scattering effects. As you can see, the laser is in parallel. After some fine adjustment, it turns out this laser maybe 5.4, 5.6 milliwatts, so that's only because I'm just pushing a little bit here with this circuit. Here you can see the laser beam scattering within the solution here. The distance of this laser is actually quite impressive. It makes it across the entire apartment here. Laser scattering at a distance. So overall, this is a fun laser.